Welcome to this another session on this condition contract management. So in this video, we are going to process the condition contract that we previously created, and we are going to use the same customer and material for the one that we have processed earlier in the previous video. So let's begin. So you can go to this T code. Under BUS VOL WB2R underscore BUS VOL in the command. So when you go, you can see that this is a report which is about the business volume of the condition contracts, whatever are created. So you can execute and you can find the report. So you can see that the amount of this condition contract is 599 EUR is visible in this report. Okay, now go to exit. So in the next steps, you will settle the accruals for that condition record, the condition contract. So you can go to this T code WSCO. This is what the condition contract we can access from. You can click on this button, and here you will find that this was the condition contract that we created in the previous video. You can click on the change. Now coming to this condition contract, you can click on the settlement calendar and you can add a new line. So here this is the settlement date. So here you need to choose this icon to open the drop down list. Here you can select that date and choose the settlement data type, which is delta accruals, and you can click on continue and then save. So here you can see that this document is saved with that settlement type. Now go to this T code #WB2R underscore SC. So this is a report for the settlement of customer condition contracts. So you can click on this settlement date and you can select the date where we have saved the data for. You can select the settlement data type, which was the delta accruals. Okay, now click on this run type and choose the run type button to see the drop down list, and you can select this live run. So instead of simulating the data, you can directly click on the live run and select the list range button also, and click on this message log and list output header and item data. Okay, once you have selected these three things, and you can directly execute. You can see that one condition contract settlement date settled successfully. Okay, so this is the log that it will show that for this customer condition contract settlement has been done. You can click on the choose details and you can see the settlement document and the accrual amount for this 10 EUR that the system has posted. Okay, now go to the accounting, and for this accounting you can see that sales rebate has been done for this 10 EUR. Okay, so these are the posting for the accrual settlements. Now you can exit from this. So now you can execute a partial settlement of the condition record, the condition contract. So again, go to this WCOFO. You can select the condition contract. So we'll go with this one only. Now go to this settlement calendar. select another line item, select this settlement date, which would be the same one, and this on this settlement type we will select this partial settlement. Let's move again. So you have added this settlement date and settlement data type in the settlement calendar. Now you will save this condition contract again. You can see this document has been saved, and we can go again to this same T code, which is WB2R_SC. And here the settlement data type will change now to the partial settlement. And here the same that we did for the earlier one, where we will select this live simulation, live run for this condition contract settlement, and here the list view will be list message log, list output header, and item data. So once you have selected, you can click on execute, and you will see that one condition contract settlement dates settled successfully. And here you can see in the report that the settlement for this condition contract has been done. And here in the screen you can see the settlement document and the credit amount of 10 EUR that the system posted for the partial settlement. Also note the tax amount and gross amount of 11 EUR. Okay, and if you go to the accounting, you can double click on this accounting document, and you can see that the sales rebate has been posted, and it is posted for the partial settlement. So now you have successfully created and used a condition contract. This concludes the simulation for this creation and use of a condition contract.